Hi guys! Today, I will be making a keto burnt basque cheesecake. The ingredients are still the same. I just replaced sugar with sweetener. So, let's start. What made me do this burnt basque cheesecake? Because I saw my video, I think that was last year when I made the burnt basque, the original one, burnt basque cheesecake, which I used sugar. So, sabi ko, why won't I make the keto one, the low carb burnt basque cheesecake? Kasi yung sugar lang naman ang i-replace. So, I tried making it. So, let's see if what's the outcome later. So, that's the cheese, cream cheese, and then eggs. Same process, same ingredients. Since me and hubby nga, we're trying to do low carb diet kasi nga si hubby is on the borderline of diabetes. Tapos ako naman is talagang nagsasuffer na ng tuhod ko nung aking arthritis. So, the best way is to lose weight. So, trying the very best. Kaya, pati sa dessert, para hindi naman namin ma-deprive yung sarili namin to eat desserts and treats ourselves. So, I'm making my best na gumawa ng mga desserts na sugar-free or low carb. Alam nyo na, tumatanda na, we're not getting any younger. Kaya kailangan medyo maging maingat na talaga sa health, sa lahat. Maging conscious na sa mga kinakain. Although hindi ko sinasabing hindi nakakataba ito, yung burnt basque, kasi nakakataba pa rin siya. Syempre, kung marami kang kakainin. Kasi ano siya, cream cheese siya. So, nakakataba pa rin siya. So, lahat naman, di ba? Anything that is too much is not good. Kaya, eat in moderation lang. Etong ginawa ko na to is good for few days na namin. So, iiwanan ko yung husband ko. Tapos, since tomorrow, I'm going back to work, magdadala rin ako ng para sa akin. And of course, isi-share din namin sa brother-in-law ko. Sa mother-in-law ko, I doubt it kasi hindi siya mahilig sa cheesecake. Pero I bet yung brother-in-law ko is